Would you like to learn some tactics that I learned from an online mentor? Well, great. We're going to talk about that. But first, go down below and click on that subscribe button, and also click on that little bell so you'll be notified the next time I have a video that goes live. See you in a minute. Hi, I'm Deborah Shaw with DeborahLynnShaw.com. I'm going to share with you 7 tactics that I've learned in this video from an online mentor. Number 7, learn from someone who has or does what you want. And I don't mean this in an envious sort of way, but I mean something that you aspire to do or to be. Consider hiring someone who can help you get there if that's will make it faster for you, like a coach or a mentor. Get your ego out of the way. If you think that you know everything, you'll fail. None of us know it all. And even if we did, it changes constantly. So with internet marketing, everything changes. In fact, if you're advertising on Facebook, you know that it's almost impossible to keep up with it. So don't have that attitude that you think you know it all. Get your ego out of the way, because your ego can be a stumbling block, especially for internet marketers. Number 6, are you credible? If you're brand new to internet marketing, you may not have the credibility that people are looking for. So how can you build your business if you don't have that? Well, you borrow someone else's. By that I mean share someone else's successes. Someone else that you've met in the business who've had great successes. It can be someone that's mentored you. It could be someone that you've been working with, a peer who's done better. Or it could be someone that you meet at an event. In fact, that's one of the reasons it is so important to go to events and learn from people who have excelled in the industry that you're in. And don't be shy about taking those selfies with them. They'll love it that you're bragging on them. So you master that technique for taking selfies when you go to events. And then you can use that very small encounter to leverage their successes for your business. And like I said, they'll love that you brag on them. Number 5, don't reinvent the wheel. In other words, find a system that's proven to get results and easy to duplicate. After all, when you bring other people into your business, you want those customers to be able to do exactly what you do. So find something that's duplicatable and that's been proven to work. Number 4, brand yourself with integrity. Don't be apologetic for what you stand for. As long as you're honest and you give lots of value, then you should be proud to take credit for what you're building. Number 3, use a high converting sales page. It's so important. Have that funnel and that sales page that's proven to bring people in, proven to convert, and you will build your business much more quickly and efficiently. Number 2, do not wait for perfection. Perfection is the enemy of every entrepreneur. Learn and master as you go. Don't be afraid to fail. Have the "if I can do it, you can do it" attitude. Be real. Just do your best, and your best will get better. And number 1, take massive action. I know you've heard this over and over, but nothing happens until you sell something. You're not in business until you have leads going into your funnel, through your sales page, and converting. So again, don't wait to get it all right. Start driving traffic to your offers for your products and services, and do so as fast as you can, and as quick, not only as fast, but as much as you can. Take massive action. So if you've gotten any value from this video, I'd appreciate if you go down below and click on that like, and then please share this video. There's a button to share as well. And remember, you have everything you need inside yourself to be successful. You are empowered for abundance. Take care.